Let's check out the backyard. Nice and clean. That's how you want it, guys. When you call a real pro, you already know. Let's go take a look at the backyard real quick. Okay, let's check it out. Every inch is cleaned. All the furniture nice and clean. Took all the mold and mildew off the furniture. Pool deck looking spectacular. All the stains gone. Perfectly clean everywhere. Even the edges. That's how you want it. 561-907-9541. When you call a real pro, you already know. Out here in the Polo Club, baby.